saying, come on, get on up. We're wild and we can't be tamed, and we're turning the floor into a zoo. Come on, keep it up. It's fun if you're down to play, and we're turning the floor into a zoo. A zoo. We're living a heated time, no chance to cool down. Continuously confined, what do we do now? So